Hi everyone and welcome to another fun session of Introduction to Clay Modeling. Today I'll show you a very fun activity, but before that let me quickly take a selfie. Why? Because that is what we need today. We are going to take a selfie and we will turn it into a clay selfie. Or maybe we can call it a clayfie. You guys know that before the camera was invented, the art of taking selfies and self-portraits was done by actual tools. Like writing on paper, rock, making sculptures, for example carvings on the caves. So let's combine the oldies with the newies and create a fantabulous clayfie. This is my portrait. First, I will use a pen and trace out the main features of my image. I have rolled this clay using this rolling pipe like this, and I have used a butter paper to prevent my background. The ruler and mark out the edges. Cut the extra using a cutter. When we will remove the paper, we'll see the outlines. If the clay isn't coming out, take some water, dip your toothpick in it, and now use it. You can refer this image from time to time if you need help. Now once you're happy with the design, let it sit. This is how our clay selfie looks. It has become a solid, as you can see. Now let's paint it using these acrylic colors. This technique basically works because when you put the sponge on this, it rubs the top surface while the grooves remain intact. Hence the paint that went into the grooves remains as it is, while the one that is on the surface gets washed away. So this is how it looks. Now don't worry even if you find some black spots on your surface, because we are anyways going to paint them. So let's get started. This is how the result looks. This looks good, right? I've used a sponge to create this texture. If you like the activity, then do give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next fun session of Introduction to Clay Modeling.